Welcome to clickmyproject.com.
Now we discuss about a modified back propagation learning algorithm with ordered emotional coefficient. In this process, we would make a two process. First, we analyze the given pattern is or authentication or not authentication pattern. Now, in this process, we use BCA feature abstraction and also SVM classifier to classify the authentication or not authentication person. In BCA feature is the best algorithm for extract the images, and then if the person will be the authentication, now we go to find the emotional of the authentication person. In this process, we use BCA feature to extract the emotions of the given image features, and then we use feed forward network classifier to classify the emotions. This is the flow diagram for our proposed system. In our proposed system, first we load the test image. If the test image will go to the feature extraction process. In the feature extraction process, we use principal component analysis method. For it is the powerful method in image formation, data patterns, similarities and difference between them are identified efficiently. The other main advantage of PCA is dimensions will be reduced by avoiding redundant information without much loss. Better understanding of principal component analysis through statistics and some of the mathematical techniques which are eigenvalues, eigenvectors. BCA is a useful statistical and common technique that has found application in fields such as image recognition and comparison. Principal component analysis is a mathematical procedure that uses linear transformation to map data from high dimensional space to low dimensional space. The low dimensional space can be determined by eigenvectors of the covariance matrix. Then the feature was extracted. It will go to the neural network classification for find the authentication. In the neural network classification, we will give the train feature also. The train feature was already stored in MATLAB and it will be loaded and give the neural network. The neural network compare with the extract feature in train feature and it will be give the answer if the test image will authentication or not authentication. Now the test feature is not authentication, we will load the another image, and then if the input image is authentication image, then that image is go to the segment the image process. In segment the image process, we segment the image in 4 parts because of we find the emotion with the face reaction only, so we can segment the image for the find emotion. Now extract the segmented image feature. In this process, we also use principal component analysis method. Now the segmented image features are go to the another artificial neural network of feed forward network. For the classification of the authentication image will be authentication images emotions, and then it's also we give the train feature in the feed forward network. In the feed forward network, classify the feature with the train feature and give the result. The result is what is the emotion of the authentication image.
Now I am going to demo of our project. Now first open the MATLAB and then go to m1.m and right click the m1.m and run that file. Now the processed guide will be open. Then first load the image from test image. Go to select all files and then select any one image. This is the loaded image, and then pre-processing the image. This is the pre-processed image, and now go to the load train feature from train data. Then go to select the test image folder and find the authentication. Now our selected image is not authentication image, and then it is the confusion matrix. It is classified at 62.9% accuracy, and now it is the performance graph of classifier. And now go to load another image from test image. Go to the select all files and then select another image. Now preprocessing the image. Now go to already the train feature will be loaded. So now I go to load the test feature extraction and then go to the authentication process. Now the person is authentication, and that is the confusion matrix is classify the data with accurate 86.6%, and that is also performance graph of the classifier. So the person is authentication, so then the emotion coefficient guy will be automatically open. Then now we segment our loaded image, because we analyze the image from analyze the face from one by one. So we segment the loaded image from 4 parts. And now we go to the emotional coefficient feature extraction. Then we select the emotion file. It will show that person will be in angry. Then go to the performance graph. It is the performance graph of existing system and proposed system. Thanks for watching video.